Hello friends, today we'll learn about the invention of bread. You're making a sandwich for your breakfast. This looks delectable. Bread has been a staple food around the world for thousands of years. Have you ever wondered when and how it was invented? Let me explain all about this. One of the earliest known breads was made by pulverizing fresh wheat into a paste, then spreading portions of it onto hot rocks in the sun and leaving them to dry out into crumbly crackers. The real history of bread dates back over 30,000 years, when the ancient Egyptians developed leavened bread using wild yeast. Once, someone did not eat the oat-water mixture and kept it as it was overnight. In the morning, the mixture had grown, and upon heating this thick mixture, it rose again. This bread was lighter, airier, and had a definite texture compared to the previously dense and flat loaves. Breads and cereals became a staple food around 10,000 years ago, during the Neolithic era, when wheat and barley were some of the first plants to be harvested in Mesopotamia and near the Nile. Other parts of the world individually grew cereals, such as sorghum in sub-Saharan Africa, rice in East Asia, and maize in the Americas. They started to make bread out of them. Until now, people used normal clay or stone ovens for baking the bread. Then freestanding ovens that could be preheated with a door for access were invented for the first time in ancient Greece. And with better ovens, bread baking flourished. Earlier, people used a stone bowl and a long stone to make flour for bread. With industrialization, mills that made flour started working on steam and gas, resulting in easy and faster production. In 1927, an American inventor and engineer, Otto Frederick Rohwedder, successfully designed a machine that not only sliced bread, but also wrapped it. He is known as the father of sliced bread. The first sliced bread loaf was sold commercially on July 7, 1928. Sales of the machine to bakeries increased, and sliced bread became popular across the country. In 1961, the Chorleywood Bread Process, a method that makes bread production possible on a large scale, was invented. And today, there's no country in the world in whose culinary traditions there is not some form of bread. Now, you know a lot about the topic. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.